Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Mexican Fashion Idol. So today in this video, we will try to show you stylish and amazing midi dress designs with amazing leather skirts. Stylish and amazing midi dress collection. Best collection, best designs presented by Mexican Fashion Idol for their subscribers and their viewers all over the world. Mexican Fashion Idol specially designed for the fashion lovers in all over the world. As you can see, stylish and amazing bodycon dresses design, midi dresses design, scattered dresses design, pure leather outfit designs, pure leather dresses collection for career women. So viewers, if you like my ideas and if you like my video, then kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get new notifications of my videos on time. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for liking my videos. Thank you so much for your comments, because with your comments is a source of motivation for me. Hope you like my ideas. Hope you like my videos. If you like my ideas and if you like my video, then kindly share my video with your friend, family and relatives. And if you want more ideas related to these amazing scattered dress design, midi dress collection, then you can simply comment in the comment section. I will try to get best ideas and best design for our subscribers and our viewers in all over the world. So keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. Stylish and best ideas, amazing collection, best collection. सो व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरे लाए हुए ये अमेजिंग ड्रेस डिज़ाइंस पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ साथ बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि अगर आप बेल आइकन को प्रेस नहीं करेंगे then you can't able to get the new notifications of my videos on time. Then kindly press the bell icon to get new notifications of my videos on time. So viewers, take care of yourself and your family members. Remember me in your prayers. Till the next video, bye bye and take care.